Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are starting a very important topic today. And that is the current recently conducted 42nd session of FAO conference. अभी recently FAO conference का 42nd session conduct हुआ है. अब आपको ये समझना जरूरी है prelims के लिए इस topic में कि what is this session, why it is conducted, how often it is conducted, what were the critical issues that were discussed during this session, and also what is FAO. ये FAO है क्या, ठीक है, इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है. इट इज फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ FAO in our country, okay, globally also and in our country also, domestically also, what is the role that is played by FAO, that also we have to study. So before we delve deeper into this topic, let us understand what is FAO. सबसे पहले समझ लेते हैं FAO है क्या. Basically it's a specialized agency and it is a part of United Nations. Okay, United Nation का एक बहुत ही specialized agency है FAO and it leads the international efforts to defeat hunger. United Nations have taken up this step to defeat hunger. In order to in order to do so, they have created this specialized agency that is known as FAO. Okay, point clear. So what is the goal? Goal is to achieve food security, remove hunger, and to achieve food security and make sure that people have regular access to enough high quality food to lead a very active and healthy lives. Okay, that is the main goal of FAO. हंगर को हटाना है, भूखमरी को हटाना है, फूड क्वालिटी इंक्रीज करनी है और हर एक इंसान तक ग्लोबली खाना पहुंचाना है ताकि वो एक अच्छी एक्टिव हेल्दी लाइफ जी सके. All right, let's begin. So recently the 42nd session of FAO was conducted and for the first time ever the FAO conference was held in virtual mode. Why? Because of COVID, right? कोरोना वायरस की वजह से अब फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग हो गई है इतनी, तो उन्होंने और ट्रैवल बैन्स हो रहे हैं, इस वजह से वर्चुअल मीटिंग हुई थी. ठीक है. सो द कॉन्फ्रेंस टेक्स प्लेस एवरी 2 years, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. हर 2 साल में ये कॉन्फ्रेंस एक बार होता है एंड इट डिटरमाइंस द पॉलिसीज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड अप्रूव्स द बजट इन ऑर्डर टू कैरी आउट द पॉलिसीज. ओके, जितने भी फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल इश्यूज है मेंबर कंट्रीज को उन इश्यूज से अवगत कराया जाता है. उसके लिए एक फंडिंग पैटर्न होता है, उसके बाद ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल्स और पॉलिसीज बनाई जाती हैं और उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए पैसे दिए जाते हैं. Point clear? That is the basic motive of the conference, जिस वजह से conference को conduct किया जाता है. Okay, now the conference takes place every 2 years, that we have understood. Now here this second statement is very important. ये जो second statement है ये important है, right? You have to remember that budget is also approved, right? In order to implement the policies. अगर आप कोई policy बना रहे हो, कोई goal बना रहे हो कि मैं ये काम करूंगा या करूंगी, उसके लिए आपके पास financial कुछ budget होना चाहिए ना. मान लो आप coaching join करने का goal बना रहे हो, आपके पास एक financial budget होता है कि मैं इतना पैसा लगा सकता हूँ अपनी coaching में या लगा सकती हूँ अपनी coaching में. ठीक है. So budget is also approved during this conference in order to implement the policies which are organized. Okay. Before we move forward, here's a small announcement. Unacademy is launching 1-year batch course, 2-year batch course, NCERT batches and Phoenix revision batches for your UPSC preparation. 1-year batch course is aimed for students who are preparing for 2022 attempt. 2-year batch course is created from the perspective of 2023 attempt, and NCERT batch course is for the students who are preparing for 2021, 22 and 23 attempt, and they want to finish the NCERTs under supreme guidance of the top educators of Unacademy. Also we have the Phoenix revision batch for students who are preparing for 2021. This is a revisionary batch wherein we are going to revise both prelims and mains. You can also use code ARPITA10 in order to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. The links are given below in the description box. Do not forget to join these batches as soon as possible because they are starting from today, that is 16th of June. Okay, make sure that you take your subscription today because subscription अगर आप टाइम पर ले लोगे, कोर्सेज को बैचेस को टाइम पर अटेम्प्ट करोगे, आपकी प्रिपरेशन उतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग और उतनी जल्दी खत्म होगी. ठीक है. So let us understand India's efforts for food security during the COVID-19 pandemic. इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान इंडिया ने अपनी तरफ से क्या एफर्ट्स किए हैं फूड सिक्योरिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाई प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स. इंडिया हैज रजिस्टर्ड ऑल टाइम हाई प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स, that is at 305 million tons. As well as in exports also, we have increased our exports, which we have contributed to the global food security. Then we have the Kisan Rail initiative. Now these initiatives are important from the perspective of prelims. Kisan Rail initiative was introduced to transport essential commodities like perishable horticulture produce, fruits, vegetables, milk, dairy produce from the production centers directly to the large urban markets. अब हुआ क्या, लॉकडाउन के चलते आपके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आपके वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स हैं, इसमें थोड़ी कमी आने लगी. किसान रेल एक इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट किया गया जिसके चलते फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, मिल्क, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रोडक्शन सेंटर से लार्ज अर्बन मार्केट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए भेजा गया. देन वी हैड द प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज. इस स्कीम के अंदर फ्री फूड ग्रेन्स प्रोवाइड किए गए 810 मिलियन बेनिफिशियरीज को, और इसको नवंबर 2021 तक एक्सटेंड किया गया है. PM Kisan scheme, more than rupees 1,37,000 crore have been sent to the bank accounts of over 100 million farmers. Why? To provide them the income support. Okay, so these are the initiatives which India has also launched during the COVID-19 lockdown pandemic. Right. Now, when we talk about the FAO strategic framework of this year, we have an aim of 2022 to 2031. ये जो strategic framework है 2022 से 31 तक लागू रहेगा. So in this year's conference, the members will adopt strategic framework 2022 to 2031. इसमें है क्या, हमारा एम ये है कि 2030 का जो एजेंडा है ना SDG का, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स का, थ्रू ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टू मोर एफिशिएंट, इंक्लूसिव, रेजिलिएंट एंड सस्टेनेबल एग्री फूड सिस्टम्स. This is the goal. We need to increase the efficiency, inclusiveness, resilience and sustainability of the agriculture food systems. Why? For better nutrition, for better environment and better life. We are not going to leave anyone behind in this inclusiveness. हम हर एक section of society, हर एक section of country को cover करेंगे जब बात आती है food systems की. And the four betters represent an organizing principle for how FAO intends to contribute. Four betters are: no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, reduced inequalities. And fourth, we have to achieve the sustainable development goals of 2030. Okay, so that you have to remember for your preliminary examination. Okay, point clear? तो अभी हमें पता चल गया what is FAO. We all know about it, Food and Agriculture Organization. Then it's a specialized agency of UN. Headquarters is in Rome, Italy. It was established in 1945 and the goal is to achieve food security and to make sure that people have a regular access, continuous access to high quality food in order to lead a very active and healthy life. We have to remove hunger. That is the goal of FAO. Okay, so this was all about the 42nd session of FAO conference that we have discussed today. If you enjoyed this session, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also share this informative video with your family members and close friends in order to make them aware, okay, about the initiatives that globally have been launched. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in this class.